Hello everyone, you're on the ExamClouds channel and my name is Tatiana. In today's video, we'll be exploring terms like JVM, JRE, and JDK. Let's get started. So what exactly is the JVM? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It's the core component of Java's runtime system. The Java Virtual Machine executes bytecode generated from the source code of a Java program by the Java compiler. The JVM provides a platform-independent way to execute code. Programmers can write code without worrying where or how it will run. The next term is JRE. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. It's the minimal virtual machine implementation needed to run Java applications without the compiler or other development tools. It consists of the virtual machine and Java class libraries. If you just need to run code, you can download only the Java R. And the final term is JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It's the application developer kit for Java, which includes components such as the compiler, the standard Java class libraries, examples, documentation, various utilities, and also the runtime environment. So, if you look at this diagram, we can see that the JDK includes the JRE, and the JRE includes the JVM. This was the ExamClouds channel. Subscribe to our channel, don't forget to like, and also visit our website, examclouds.com.